Both the hands we can put towards our Mother Earth or onto the Mother Earth. Now pay your humble namaskar towards Mother Earth. Please remove all the imbalances that I have. Please forgive me that I put my feet on you. Please forgive me for all the wrong I have done, knowingly, unknowingly against you. Please give us the pure desire, wisdom, discretion, morality, please remove all the obstacles that are coming in my meditation. Please remove all the obstacles coming in the path of my spiritual ascent. Put your left hand on the lap, the right hand towards Mother Earth. Your attention on the left channel. Please remove all the imbalances I have in my left side. Your attention remains on your left hand. And you will observe vibrations cleansing the left channel, and all the negativity from the left side will be pushed from the right hand into the Mother Earth. Please forgive me for all the mistakes I have made in my past. Let's put the right hand on the lap and the left hand towards the sky. Our attention on the right hand. Please cleanse my right channel. Our complete attention on the right hand. The vibrations will cleanse our right channel, and all the negativity will be going out from the left hand into the sky. Mother, I don't want to think about my future. I want to surrender. Please cleanse, Mother, my right channel. Let's put both the hands on the lap. Raise both the hands to our heart. Our attention on the central channel. Please give me complete balance. Mother, please bring me into the center, into the present state. Mother, please remove all the imbalances I have in my chakras in the central channel. With your attention, you can slowly raise your attention from bottom of your spine and slowly move it to your Sahasrara. Please hold your attention on your Sahasrara. With your right hand, press it a little bit on top of your head and do slight massage in the clockwise direction. Mother, please establish my self-realization. You can raise your hand slightly above your Sahasrara, few inches above. Your attention also moves a little bit above your Sahasrara. This is where we have to keep our attention steady. We can put back our hand on the lap, our attention on top of our head, few inches above Sahasrara. And we will sit in meditative state, in complete thoughtlessness awareness.